13 unbelievable facts that sound totally fake, but aren't. We come back, curious minds. Today we're diving deep into the bizarre, the unbelievable, and the downright wacky. These are facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. Buckle up for a wild ride as we unveil the world's most absurd facts that you simply won't believe exist. One honey never spoils. Let's start with something sweet and eternal. Imagine finding a jar of honey that's thousands of years old. Sounds impossible? Well, honey is the only food that never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This golden nectar's secret lies in its low water content and acidic pH, which create an environment hostile to bacteria. It's like having a jar of immortality in your pantry. Just think. What you spread on your toast could theoretically last forever. 2 bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. You've been lied to your whole life. In botanical terms, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. True berries, like bananas, develop from a single ovary and have seeds embedded in the flesh. Strawberries, on the other hand, come from a flower with multiple ovaries. Next time you enjoy a fruit salad, you'll have a fun fact to share. And here's a twist. Watermelons and pumpkins are also berries by botanical standards. Who knew your fruit bowl was so full of surprises? 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Yes, you heard that right. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. This means that a single day on Venus, one full rotation, is longer than a year on Venus, one full orbit around the Sun. Imagine celebrating your birthday every day for almost an entire year. And it gets even weirder. Because of this strange rotation, if you were standing on Venus, you'd see the sun rise in the west and set in the east. 4. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. Scientists estimate that there are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth. With over 100 billion galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars. The cosmos is an endless expanse of wonder and mystery. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing at just a tiny fraction of what's out there. To put it in perspective, if you were to count all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone, 1 per second, it would take you over 3,000 years. 5. Cows have best friends. Research shows that cows form close bonds with their peers and get stressed when they are separated from their best friends. In a study conducted by researchers at the University of Northampton, cows exhibited lower heart rates and less stress-related behaviors when they were with their preferred partner. These gentle giants have complex social relationships and experience emotions much like we do. So the next time you see cows grazing in a field, remember, they have friendships and social networks just like us. It's heartwarming to think of cows having their own bovine buddies. 6. There are more plastic flamingos than real ones. In a strange twist of fate, the iconic plastic lawn flamingo outnumbers its real-life counterpart. The plastic version, created in 1957 by Don Featherstone, became a symbol of quirky, kitschy Americana. While there are only a few 100,000 real flamingos left in the wild, millions of their plastic counterparts adorn lawns and gardens worldwide. Humans and their quirky decorations. Imagine that. A creature that once symbolized exotic beauty in nature is now more commonly found in someone's front yard. 7. You can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from 2 miles away. Blue whales are magnificent giants, and their hearts are equally impressive. Weighing as much as a small car and beating at a low frequency, a blue whale's heartbeat can be detected from up to 2 miles away. These gentle giants of the ocean have hearts that beat at around 2 times per minute when they dive and up to 37 times per minute at the surface. Imagine the power of a heart that can be heard across such vast distances. Their hearts are so big that a human could swim through their arteries. It's no wonder they are the largest animals ever to have lived on Earth. 8. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 times taller. During the summer, due to thermal expansion, the Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters taller in the summer. As the iron structure heats up, it expands, causing the tower to increase in height. This fascinating phenomenon shows how materials can change with temperature, even affecting iconic landmarks. So Paris really does sizzle in the summer! It's incredible to think that the tower, an icon of permanence and stability, is actually growing and shrinking throughout the year. 9 octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are fascinating creatures with 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. This unique circulatory system helps octopuses efficiently manage oxygen intake and distribution, crucial for their survival in the ocean depths. These intelligent beings are full of surprises, from their multiple hearts to their incredible problem-solving skills. They can also change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, making them masters of disguise. 10. A single cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds may look light and fluffy, but a single cumulus cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. That's right. These seemingly weightless formations are actually massive collections of water vapor. Despite their immense weight, they float above us because the air beneath them is denser. It's a delicate balance that allows these giants to drift across the sky. Just imagine. Every time you look up at the clouds, you're looking at something heavier than a fully loaded jumbo jet silently hovering above. 11 wombat poop is cube-shaped. Yes, you heard that correctly. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. This unique feature prevents their droppings from rolling away, helping them mark their territory effectively. The square shape is due to the elasticity of their intestines and the way their muscles contract during digestion. It's one of the strangest adaptations in the animal kingdom. This unusual trait has even inspired researchers to study its application in manufacturing processes. 12. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 is the shortest recorded war in history, lasting a mere 38 minutes. The conflict erupted between the United Kingdom and the Sultanate of Zanzibar, ending quickly with a decisive British victory. This brief skirmish underscores how quickly power dynamics can shift and how unpredictable historical events can be. It's hard to imagine a war so short that it could be over in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite TV show. 13. A snail can sleep for 3 years. When it comes to taking long naps, snails are the champions. Certain species of snails can hibernate or enter a state of dormancy for up to 3 years. This ability helps them survive in harsh conditions, such as extreme cold or drought. Imagine waking up after a 3-year nap. Snails truly take beauty sleep to the next level. This extreme hibernation is a survival tactic, allowing them to outlast periods when food and water are scarce. 13 of the most mind-blowing, head-scratching facts you probably didn't know. If you enjoyed this journey into the weird and wonderful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. Stay curious and see you